Alright, today I'm going to show you how to clean your Whirlpool dishwasher. As you can see, I have a full load of dishes inside of my Whirlpool dishwasher on both levels. And then I have this product called Finish Dishwasher Cleaner. Alright, as you can see, it says add to a full load. Alright, pretty clear instructions. It cleans out grease and grime. As you can see it right here on the back, it says you just add your normal dishwasher pod or dish detergent to the compartment, closed compartment, and then you take this product and then you add it to the bottom of the dishwasher. As you can see, one of the pods is missing. I have it in the hand. I'm just going to place it in the bottom of the dishwasher. All right, and then I'm going to take my dishwasher pod, that's Cascade Platinum to be exact, put it in the compartment, close it, and then go ahead and start my cycle. And this is how you clean your dishwasher. Check out those Finish dishwasher cleaner pods to add. They really work, trust me. And close it.